Hey, welcome to the Random World of Mary Jane, where everything's random all the time. You never know what I'm going to do or say, So, as I was going to try to show you yesterday, this is a continuation project where I am teaching you guys how to make a compost pile out of a big old black trash can, or whatever color have you trash can. Now, yesterday I tried showing you guys how to vent it. Now, in order to vent it, this is what I did. I took the lid of said trash bin. I cut a hole, such as this. I screwed in screen, such as this. Now, just for a quick tutorial, this is how it happened. We did a drill bit on the edge of a Dremel, and we went, and that made the hole. And then you can have the screen on either the outside or the inside. I decided to do it on the inside because I felt like it was a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, and so I put it on the inside, and then I used a screwdriver to screw all these little screws in place. And the screws are about 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart, just enough to make sure the screen's not going anywhere, all right? Now, it's more aesthetically pleasing, but also you can do it the other way, where you do the screws to where they go on the inside. But as my better half says it, this looks a little bit more metal. So you can keep it like that with the spike piece, or you can take a little circular Dremel and do a little and cut it off. So today, what I'm showing you guys is this. We have the venting in process. We have the venting in place. Everything's being vented. We don't have to worry about fires. Now, what you're also going to want is you're going to also want to be able to drain your compost. So, in order to drain it, if you can look, we have little circles about here, about every inch to inch and a half apart around the outside here. And then I'm going to drill this little guy out, and that should be a good way of draining. So I'm going to pause the video, and because I don't have editing software, so all this is done in one take. Take it or leave it, love me or hate me. I am who I am, and I be who I be. I'm me. So here we go. Let's get this started, shall we? Alright, so I thought I'd just go ahead and show you really quick. Honey bear? Okay, no, it's fine. So this is how I'm going to do eye protection. Protection always. We don't want any accidents. So we're going to drill in. It may not be perfect, but it's a hole. that's how you drill the holes in the bottom. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be functional. You're not going to see it. And bada bing boom boom, we're done with that part. All right, so we finished our project of the garbage can compost pile. On the inside here, I have, this is where you're going to put all your clippings. This is where you're going to put all your nasty, all your eggs, all your eggshells, anything that can be composted, anything that can break down goes in here. And luckily, I was blessed to have Clayton's father lend me some black fly larvae, which actually they go in and they will break down everything. So if you can get your hands on some black fly larvae, black fly eggs, that'll work. And then you don't have to twist it. You don't have to flip it. Because before that, I'd have to take it and literally flip it, you know, and twist it and sort of roll it. So, hope you guys learned something, and I hope that you guys have an awesome, amazing, flippin' blessed day, y'all. God bless you, and I'll see you on the other side.